Well, hello again everybody, and I've got a little job to do on the Mutt Mastiff motorbike. I've noticed that the front brake lever here doesn't always illuminate the back brake light. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm thinking it's probably this little kiddie here which is the problem, and that is the brake switch thingy. Now I did spray it with contact cleaner, but yeah, that made it work quite well actually for about half a day, and then it just went back to not working again. So I think it's held on with this single screw, so I'm going to undo that and see if I can get the old one off. So there you go, it's hanging down there now. You can see it's got two little wires on the back. I'll just swap them over onto my new switch. And there's the new switch there, which I got from Robin Banks Motorcycles. Put the little screw back in. Make sure that's all seated down. That wasn't quite seated down properly. Right, let's see if that's worked. Well, there we go. That was a nice simple repair that seemed to work well. So hopefully that new switch will last a bit longer than the old one did. And as always, I say I'm not a trained or qualified motorcycle mechanic. These are just vlogs for your entertainment only. If you have any doubts about working on your own motorcycle, then better take it to a trained mechanic. Right, see you on the next one. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Give the like button a press. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more.